Makers Empire have collaborated with HP Robots Otto to create a robot remix competition. Otto is a robot that can be 3D printed, and we're challenging you to design a remix of the robot or a new accessory. Check out the HP Robots website to learn more about Otto. Prizes of HP Otto Kits and Makers Empire plans are on offer for the winning designs. Let's see how to get started with the competition. We've provided a template and shape pack. You can load a template of the Otto robot by first going to the gallery, search for Otto, and select the design called Otto HP Robots Fully Assembled Robot Template. You can import the template into the competition entry area with the Import button. If you don't want to customize a full Otto robot, why not just make an accessory using the Otto shape pack? One thing to make sure of is that the parts you add don't block any of the areas where Otto's circuit boards will be placed. Neither a 3D printer or Otto robot kit is required for the competition. We just want to see your creative designs. If you do want to build your custom Otto, ask a parent or teacher to visit the robot competition page on Makers Empire's website. When you're done with your design, make sure to name it, give it a good description, and choose your age group. The competition ends on May 31st, and winners will be announced by the middle of June. Have fun with your designs, and may the best Otto win!